In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Hangout links between calendar events using Google Calendar. This is really useful if you've already created a meeting with a video conferencing link and you want to reuse that same link in another event without having to generate a brand new one. Maybe you're running a recurring session manually, or you want a single, consistent link for a series of meetings. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own calendar as we go. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. On your calendar, locate the event that already has the Hangout or video conference link you want to reuse. Click on that event to open its details in the small pop-up window. Inside that event details view, look for the conferencing section. This is usually where you see the join link for Google Meet or another conference tool. Click on the link so you can select it, then copy it. You can do this using your keyboard shortcut for copy or by right-clicking and choosing copy, depending on what you're comfortable with. The key thing here is that the full URL is now on your clipboard, ready to be pasted into another event. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen where your list of calendars appears. To make things easier to see, deselect all the other calendars except for the one that contains the event you want to paste the Hangout link into. This step is optional but very helpful because it clears away extra events and makes it simpler to find exactly what you're looking for. With only that calendar selected, find the event that should use the same Hangout link. Click on that event to open its details and then click the edit icon. This will open the full editing view for the event. Inside the event editor, locate the description box. This is where you can add notes, agenda items, or any information attendees might need. Click into the description field, then paste the URL you copied earlier. Again, you can use your usual paste shortcut or right-click and choose paste. You should now see the full Hangout or meeting link sitting in the description. Once you're done, save the event so your changes are applied. Now, anyone invited to that event will be able to see and use the same Hangout link. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Hangout link from one Google Calendar event and reused it in another. In